All right, let's make a start with Ielts speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer. Let's start with you. Do you listen to music?
Yes, when I mostly my free time start, I used to
When my
listen.
free time starts,
My when my free time start, I usually sing
I
songs.
usually listen to
I usually
music.
listen to music
Okay.
mostly in Indian
Okay,
song.
now this answer is not organized. For example, do you listen to music? Yes, I listen to music. Whenever I have free time, I play music on my mobile phone and I listen to it. And I mostly like Indian songs very much. So, to answer your question, yes, I listen to music
Yes.
in one go. Okay, not in parts. Now, let's go on. What's your favorite type of music?
My favorite type of music is Indian song as like Arjit Singh if we discuss in Pakistani song, Pakistan my favorite singer is Rahat Fateh Ali Khan.
Okay, so answer should be completed in the end. Don't say, okay, I listen to Rahat Fateh Ali Khan. So to answer your question, I love to listen to Indian music and my favorite singer is Rahat Fateh Ali Khan. Complete answer with conclusion.
Yes.
And there should be 5 to 6 sentences. Okay, let's go on. Do you like to listen to music in your national language or in English?
I like to listen music in my national language because this is very easy for me for understanding
To
in my to
understand.
understanding in my national language.
Okay, this answer is again short. So you need to expand on your answer. If you give shorter answers, examiner will ask you more questions. So then you'll be confused. So
Yes.
try to give a reasonable answer in 5 sentences, 6 sentences, that'll be good. Okay.
Yes.
Now let's go on. It's your turn. Okay. Do you like buying shoes?
Yeah, I like buying shoes very much because when my when I get up early in the morning, I wear shoes, and I prefer shoes comfortable and foamy like shoes because it is easily
They
e-
are easy to wear.
they are easy to wear and easily walk in
I can walk easily.
easily.
All right, let's go on. Try to make complete sentences, okay? So I can walk easily. Now, do you prefer to buy shoes online or in store?
No, I don't like online buying online shoes
I
because
don't like buying online shoes
buy
is wrong. I
uh,
don't like buying shoes online.
online.
Okay, yeah. So why?
Uh, I don't like buying
Shoes
shoes
online.
online because in Pakistan online websites are very fraudy, and I prefer shoes buying on store
Okay, I prefer to buy shoes in store,
in store.
and there are some issues of sizes and colors. For all these reasons, I love to buy shoes from the store.
Yes.
Okay, let's go on. What's your favorite color in shoes?
Uh, my most favorite color is blue color because it is very attractive color.
Attractive.
It is very attractive color for me, and I like blue color.
Okay, this answer is short and it sounds like my question is your favorite color. But my question is your favorite color in shoes. So you should say, I love to buy blue shoes because blue shoes suit me a lot. On the other hand, whenever I go to buy joggers or sneakers, I prefer blue sneakers, blue joggers because they are very trendy and very dashing. So to answer your question, whenever I buy shoes, I always prefer to buy something in blue color. Something in blue color, something means shoes. Okay, so try to expand your answer like that. And don't finish your answer abruptly, quickly. There should be a proper conclusion in the end of your answer. Okay, thank you so much. All the best.